Very namaskar, my dear friends and my students. I extend my gratitude to you and with this intention that you're living wonderful life and you have a great life ahead also. You have a planned how to live your life on the surface of earth, and whatever you have planned, Almighty give you blessing and you give the strength to work hard to achieve your cherished goal. And up to what extent we can help you to make your journey easier, I try my level best. Okay, 11th class physics question are very important if you are interested to crack any exam, a scientific exam like NEET, ZEE or other scientific attitude. So it's important to understand science neatly and clearly. First of all, you should know how can I start my journey to complete my syllabus of physics of 11th, 12th onward. Sky is the limit, you know that. Now the first unit of 11th class introductory, and we have a one of important question, that is a conceptual question and one of the concept in the society that is prevailing, and how can we get rid of this kind of attitudes by using science. The question is very simple. India has had a long and unbroken tradition of great scholarship in mathematics, astronomy, linguistics, logic and ethics. Yet in parallel with this several superstitious and obscurantistic attitudes and practices flourished in the society, and unfortunately continue even today among many educated people too. How will you use your knowledge of science to develop strategies to counter these traditions? Okay, India from the beginning, if from the journey of human race, we have a great people in mathematics, astronomy, linguistic, logic and ethics, but despite this we have a certain kind of superstitious is kind of believe, you believe from the society, and it has been working till you don't want to melt that belief, and if somebody tries to melt that, you are not accepting. That is called the obscurantistic attitudes. Okay, and it's not the question only uneducated people, very educated or doctorate people have such kind of belief. And by using science knowledge, how can you melt? This is a simple question. How can you encounter such kind of thinking? The answer is very simple, because we know that we have two kind of approaches in the life to settle. The first one, unification, third is reductionism. Unification mean small thing when united make wonders, and reductionism mean any wonder comes from the very small efforts. Okay, such kind of approach we believe. Now because the 11th class is the beginning in the scientific attitudes, and how can give our society to educate and strengthen the scientific or natural laws. The first one, education is the only way to get rid of such kind of attitudes. Educate the people as much you can. The second one, mass media, mass communication media like television, radio, newspaper, magazine, internet, social media, we can use to educate people and melt all the doubts. If somebody has certain kind of superstitious beliefs, we can melt down by applying the theory of cause and effect. And the third one, the curricula, that the syllabus of schools and colleges can be suitably prepared in order to make people understand nature, how does it work. And the last one, teacher community plays very pivotal role from the beginning of the society. That's why they got huge respect till date. So teachers should take this responsibility to educate people and melt the doubts. This kind of approach we can use to minimize the superstitious belief, and we can change the attitude, that is obscurantistic attitudes. People are not accepting your knowledge, your theories, whatever kind of logics you are giving, they're not accepting, because certain kind of you can traditional value they have not. I am not saying that traditional value is not good one. Traditional values are good, with no doubt, but people are not accepting this. Yes, because it has been coming into trait from the ages or from the society as such. So different society has a different attitudes regarding the traditions. So guys, accept these four mantras, and we can minimize such kind of thinking in the people. In the last, I suggest you give respect yourself, respect nature, respect children, women, other peoples, and give your respect to yourself also. Okay, you listen me patiently. For this gratitude, I am very thankful to you. Subscribe my channel Physics by Gurdeep sir, or Physics by Gurdeep Hindustani, and press bell icon in order to get the new notification whenever I upload the video. And if you have any doubt regarding 11th, 12th college, university physics, you can write on comment box. I will try my level best to melt that doubt as early as possible. Thank you. Shubhratri. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you, guys.